loves. It's been a while. I have been so busy with a lot of things, attending lectures, doing assessments, going to work, and trying to be active on even YouTube. Haven't even been so active here, maybe because I don't have much community, but I appreciate the few people that are subscribed to this, and I feel so bad that you subscribe and you're not getting the content you subscribe for. And I'm promising that from next year I'm going to be more productive and showing up at least every week. I'll be more productive in the kind of videos that I do. But before we wrap up this year, I'm going to be bringing in a few. So I want to just do a very short video on mourning. I know mourning is not something you teach you, but this is how you mourn. But there's a way you can refine your mourn, and everyone have different ways of mourning, and the way it resonates with them. But there's a way you can fine tune it. So, like I've taught before, mourning is just basically engaging your vocal cords, and then you letting out a sound, all sound at Now, when it's a sound, it's when it's all sound, it's oh. When it's all sound, it's oh. When it's sound, is and you can combine the three. Four. Oh. And some people moan in a way that they breathe heavily. So typically, how to moan is engaging your vocal cords and letting out these sounds, these letters, and that is how to moan. So a quick tutorial on it. Feels so weird because I'm not living alone and people might just hear me doing because I'm trying to be as loud as possible. Bye.